Jesus Christ, on Mount Tabor you revealed your glory, shining with the light of divinity before your apostles. You showed us a glimpse of heaven to strengthen our faith and prepare our hearts for the way of the cross, Lord. Transfigure us by your grace. Change our hearts when they are burdened by fear. Renew our minds when they are clouded by doubt, and purify our souls with the light of your love. Help us to listen to your voice, to trust you even in moments of suffering, and to follow you faithfully, knowing that glory follows sacrifice and resurrection follows the cross. May your radiant presence guide our thoughts, our words, and our actions, so that we may reflect your light to others and one day share fully in your eternal